Hey, my name is Jonathan Perez. I'm the media director at Faith Assembly. Been here for the last 14 years in Orlando, Florida. One of the ways AVnew has helped us with our mission of having a distraction-free worship environment has been the seamless integration of things. Just in install scheduling and with certain things that just kind of seamlessly work, people can just forget about the tech and focus in on what's more important, which is the ministry side of things. I recommend AVnew for integration mainly because they're very involved on the ministry side. They understand the ins and outs of church, but they also are looking out for you. They're looking out for the bottom line when it comes to budget and bang for the buck for ministry. They understand that not every church has unlimited resources, and everyone should be wise in what they spend and how they spend it. So they're always looking out for you and trying to figure out what solution works best at the right price. That's also going to last a long time, and that's one of the things that I hold dear about AVnew. So over the years, AVnew has helped us with acoustic integration, our LED walls in the sanctuary here, and other venues, lots of projection installs in our various campuses, as well as our audio integration stuff, and also our new camera system. One of the challenges we had before using AVnew was trying to get people to call us back, whether it be manufacturers or just install integrators. That's one of the things you'll get from AVnew is they'll pick up the phone, they'll always help you no matter what. So their availability on picking up a phone call or answering an email is what makes them different than other integrators, different from other people, and that's what kind of fulfilled our need in that space.